I've never seen a colony so big. And I've lived in the country since 1990, and I'm pretty sure these are fire ants. I dropped the cotton balls with the borax sugar solution about 20 minutes ago, and they're really going for it. I can't even see any of the cotton balls. So we'll check this tomorrow and we'll see how it looks. We tried the diatomaceous earth. My gal did it twice, but I since read that the diatomaceous earth probably won't work on a colony. But I can't even see the cotton balls that I dropped in here, so we'll check this tomorrow. They're certainly gobbling it up. Okay folks, about 48 hours later, and you can see this colony is pretty quiet. There's a few moving around, but nothing like it was yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm going to keep an eye on it, and I'll be putting updated information in the info box below the video, so keep an eye on that. I'll check it out, you know, a week from now, etc. And if I have to do another treatment, I'll include that information. So, but the ones that are left, you can see they're groggy and I think this colony's on its way out. So to recap, the diatomaceous earth didn't work, but the borax solution with the cotton balls, it took 2 days. I checked it yesterday and it was still very active, but here we are 48 hours later, and you can see it's been pretty effective. Okay, so thanks for watching. Check out my playlist Going with the Country. You'll find videos relating to country life as well as city life, tips and tricks for the outdoors. So check out that playlist. Cheers everybody. Thanks for watching.